Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best labor gowns is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of preparing for your hospital delivery. Choosing the right gown can significantly impact your comfort, mobility, and overall experience during labor, ensuring you feel confident and empowered as you welcome your little one into the world. From the material and design to features like easy access for medical procedures and breastfeeding, finding the perfect gown can make a world of difference in your birthing journey. Number 5. Ekouaer Maternity Nightgown. This comfortable nightgown is perfect for expectant mothers. It's designed for ease of nursing and features soft, breathable fabric. The short sleeves and relaxed fit provide ultimate comfort during pregnancy and postpartum. It allows for easy movement and breathability. It features convenient button closures for easy nursing access. This makes feeding your little one simple and comfortable. Wear it at home, in the hospital, or even for a comfortable night's sleep. It's perfect for all stages of motherhood. This nightgown is ideal for labor and delivery, providing comfort and ease of movement. The soft fabric is gentle on your skin. It's available in a wide range of sizes to ensure a perfect fit for every mom-to-be. Find your perfect fit today. What we like? It's soft and comfy for a relaxing hospital stay. It's also suitable for postpartum and nursing. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that's still comfortable and functional, this is it. What people say. It's so soft and was easy to open and close for my epidural and whatnot. And after, all the stains from the birth washed out so I can wear it as a nightie or use for my next birth. Very soft and comfortable, great quality, and the color is just as pictured. The material is so soft, gentle, and cozy. Its soft and stretchy texture is perfect for movement. The material is cool and breathable as well. Perfect amount of comfort temperature-wise. The buttons in the front are great for four-port access or breastfeeding. I was able to easily receive pain meds through a spinal due to the button-down back. Number 4. Frida Mom Labor Kit. Welcome to the Frida Mom Postpartum Kit, your all-in-one solution for a smoother recovery. It's filled with essentials to help you heal comfortably and confidently after delivery. This kit includes everything you need for labor, delivery, and those first few days postpartum. It's designed to provide comfort and support during your recovery. It features a peri bottle for soothing relief, comfortable underwear, and cooling ice maxi pads to reduce swelling and pain. These items will help you feel more comfortable and confident. The kit also includes witch hazel pads and perineal healing foam to promote faster healing and reduce discomfort. These gentle products will help soothe your skin. Everything comes in a convenient toiletry bag for easy access and organization. It's thoughtfully designed to make your postpartum recovery easier. The included gown is made from 100% viscose and fits a wide range of sizes. The underwear is latex-free microfiber for ultimate comfort. Experience cold soothing comfort and medicated pain relief after vaginal delivery. It's perfect for healing from labor, perineal tears, stitches, or hemorrhoids. Created by Frida Baby, the makers of Nose Frida and other best-selling baby care products, you can trust in its quality and effectiveness. It's a brand you can rely on. What we like? It includes everything you need for labor, delivery, and postpartum recovery. It offers pain relief and comfort after childbirth. If you want a comprehensive solution for a smooth recovery, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The gown and socks were perfect, and as many times as I went to the hospital during late pregnancy, it was nice having my own soft gown and socks. The labor and delivery gown was good, better at the hospital one as I could never quite close it well, but this Frida one's so easy to use. Every item in this kit is infinitely better than the versions of these items they provide for you at the hospital. The disposable underwear, labor and delivery gown, and the Frida-specific peri bottle were so worth the price of this. Number 3. Ekouaer 3-in-1 Maternity Gown. This versatile gown is perfect for labor, delivery, and your postpartum hospital stay. It's designed for ultimate comfort and ease of use. Enjoy easy breastfeeding access with its discreet and convenient design. It allows for comfortable nursing day and night. The soft, breathable fabric ensures you stay comfortable throughout your pregnancy and beyond. It's designed for maximum mobility. It seamlessly transitions from labor and delivery to postpartum recovery. It's the only gown you'll need. Wear it as a nightgown, hospital gown, or even a comfortable dress at home. It's 3 garments in one. Made from high-quality, durable materials, it's built to last. You can rely on it for comfort and support. What we like? It's designed for labor, delivery, and breastfeeding. It provides easy nursing access and is comfortable for all stages. If you need a gown that adapts to your needs throughout your hospital stay, this is the one. What people say. The panels over the chest cover well and open easy, which is the perfect combo. The slit runs from the ruched waist all the way down and it's placed perfectly so as not to accidentally expose anything. This would make the examination after births easy to do for a nurse doing any wound care down there. I am having a C-section and this will make it very easy to check on after without much trouble on my end. It was very comfortable postpartum and made me feel cute as a new mom. The fabric is soft, stretchy, and surprisingly thick. The top has easy access for nursing. The sleeves are very wide and long for a short sleeve dress, but I was happy with the extra coverage. The waistband is elastic and creates a flattering empire silhouette. It has an opening, like a closed robe kindoff, for in hospital so you can get the uterus massage or have C-section incision checked, but it's secure enough you can move around freely without it opening and showing your belly. It's very secure. Number 2. Frida Mom Labor Gown. Prepare for labor and delivery with comfort and ease. It's designed for full coverage and easy access for medical needs. This gown features a full-length rear closure. It offers discreet coverage and easy access for epidurals or fetal monitors. The convenient fold-down front panels snap to the waist. This allows for immediate skin-to-skin contact and nursing access. Experience luxurious comfort with its super soft, stretchy jersey material. It's far more comfortable than traditional hospital gowns, and it even has pockets. It's designed to comfortably fit a wide range of sizes, from extra small to extra large. You'll feel confident and comfortable throughout your labor and delivery. This gown is brought to you by Frida Baby, the trusted brand behind popular products like Nose Frida and Frida Mom. You're in good hands. What we like? It offers full back coverage and easy access for procedures. It enables comfortable skin-to-skin contact. If easy access and full coverage are your priorities, then this gown is ideal for you. What people say. It was the perfect length and material. It was a perfect dark gray color which was nice so you weren't worried about it showing everything. Super easy to use and made delivery easy. Has buttons for openings damn near everywhere. LOL. The anesthesiologist had easy access to my back and all my nurses had access everywhere else. Its great fabric was big enough for me, and as simple as it gets. LOL. It was so comfortable to be in during my entire labor. It's flowy and is so buttery soft. The snaps open up so much you can have your whole chest open for easy skin to skin and nursing right when baby is born. Number 1. Utopia Ekouaer Women's Gown. Get ready to experience ultimate comfort and style during your hospital stay. It's designed with soft, comfortable materials to make you feel your best. This gown is made from incredibly soft and gentle fabric. You'll feel relaxed and at ease, even during the most challenging times. We know you want to feel good about yourself, even in a hospital setting. It's designed to be both comfortable and stylish. It allows for easy movement and access for medical professionals. It's designed for practicality and comfort. It's the perfect choice for your hospital stay, providing comfort, style, and practicality. Experience the difference. Utopia Ekouaer is committed to providing high-quality products that prioritize your comfort and well-being. Choose Utopia Ekouaer for a better hospital experience. What we like? It's soft, comfortable, and stylish for a more pleasant hospital experience. It's a great option for those who value comfort and style. If you want a comfortable and stylish gown for your hospital stay, this is a great choice. What people say. The snaps are great. Easy to get on and off her while she's in bed. The staff appreciated that it still functions like a gown, snaps up the back. But it looks more like a dress. It's soft and comfortable. Long enough to cover to the knees. Pattern is pretty like the picture. And they are soft. There are snaps on the sleeves and all the way down the back. You don't feel them at all. The fabric is cotton-y and decently soft. No stretch in these gowns. It worked well for breastfeeding, skin to skin, etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.